Your first two steps here are going to be on the outside of the bikini, and then your step 2 is on the other side. Once we're ready, we want to get our handles up, stretch the skin. We're going to do parallel pulls along the edge of the bikini line. We're going to run a bit of wax down one side of the labia. This bit here is more sensitive, so we want to make sure it's in a smaller section for us to be able to take that away without it causing any discomfort to our client. Well, you're going to stretch right underneath here. Well, we're going to get our handle. Once we've got a grip of our handle, we're going to do a quick parallel pull, and it's going to be one quick pull. Straight after, we're going to put our hand placement straight off. Distribute